just ordered some food and it's pretty impressive. So what better chance to try out some hot sauce? So I pulled up Rise and Smoke Sauceworks. This is Fiesta Caliente from Rise and Smoke, and sounds good. Very cool label, and it's another sauce from my giveaway at Chili Local Love Club. And yeah, I'm gonna try this with some stuff I just ordered: some barbecue chicken, black beans, rice. Still got my jalapenos from 4th of July that I roasted. So Rise and Smoke, heard a lot of good things about this sauce. I've seen it around, some people trying it. Bianca Pepper Baby Burns. So here's something on the label from Rise and Smoke. When it comes to peppers, we believe you should smoke them if you got them. If you don't, then that's cool too. Some folks like their Fiesta with a bit more fuego, so we said sí and created a higher heat version of a traditional taco sauce. Burritos taste better, tacos are tastier, and puts more chimi in your changas. Yeah, so ingredients on this are vinegar, smoked halves. I'll tell you some of the main stuff. Vinegar and smoked halves, chipotle peppers, tomatoes, onions. There's garlic, spices, lime juice, and cayenne peppers. Sounds amazing already. It's a taco sauce. Everybody likes taco sauces, so let's get this label off of it, this seal. Toss this here, and let's shake it up a little. There's this. As soon as I popped that little seal off the lid, it I smelled the smokiness. It's a very awesome sauce, I can tell already. Very smoky. Nice mix of ingredients. It smells amazing. I mean, anything smoked is pretty amazing, I'm telling you. And it is smoked habanero, the highest heat in there. There are some cayennes. I'm not expecting too much heat. Has a nice consistency. Looks good. Nice color. Nice and thick. Chunky. Well, not chunky, but it's nice and thick. Not a watery sauce. Wow. Oh, the heat wastes no time in letting you know it's there, but it's oh, the flavor, man. Yeah, it's like I said, smoked anything is pretty amazing. Damn. Oh, that tasted great. If I didn't get the hiccups, I would have went for another spoon. But just gonna go put it on some of this chicken. This is barbecue chicken, rice and beans. Oh, excuse me. I know that's annoying for some people. Here's some on this drumstick. Wow. That is pretty good. That's pretty awesome stuff. I usually get the hot sauce on almost everything. Like if I put it on my meat on the plate, I'll probably move it around just to get it not always directly on the rice and beans, but I just poured some on the rice and beans. Yeah, this is an awesome sauce. Pretty smoky. I mean, smokiness just kicks anybody's ass. Smoky sauce can't be beat, man. Seriously. There's a lot of chicken here. Man, this food is amazing. Still got roasted jalapenos. First time roasting jalapenos, I feel like an idiot. This stuff is so amazing, man. The burnt flavor from charcoal grill on these jalapenos, pretty amazing. Man. Stephanie's Barbecue in Roselle Park, New Jersey. Pretty much outdone themselves with this plate. There's some more on chicken thigh, I think. Oh man. Yeah. Pretty good stuff. Rice and Smoke has got it going on. I got another sauce from them. It's called Smoldering Ambers. Pretty sure that's much hotter. Haven't checked the ingredients on that. But I will try that soon. Now that I did this one, and it's pretty amazing. Now, sorry to pig out in front of you, but this stuff is good, man. Stephanie's Barbecue, damn. We'll be ordering again. And who knows, I might be ordering some Rice and Smoke hot sauces when these are done. Pretty amazing smoked hot sauce. Alright, I'm sorry. I'm gonna leave you guys and finish picking out here. I'll spare you of that. Rice and Smoke Sauceworks. This is Fiesta Caliente. Amazing smoked hot sauce. I'll include the link in the description if you want to check them out. Awesome. Thank you very much for watching. See you next one.